The focus on xAI. First of all, you spoke earlier about wanting more control at Tesla. Would you ever consider merging xAI into Tesla? It would be a way, obviously, they could issue shares to you and conceivably would increase your overall economics. Is that a possibility?
Well, I guess anything's possible, but it would be difficult to speculate about something. Tesla's a publicly traded stock, so.
It is. I would think to get a majority of the minority vote or whatever you might need might be not easy.
Yeah. It's not out of the question, but that would have to be something that the Tesla shareholders would want to vote for. So.
Understood. So, but it's not something you're thinking about doing.
It's not currently. There are no plans to do so.
Right.
It's not out of the question, but obviously would require Tesla shareholder support for that.
Another way you could obviously increase your control would be to get that comp plan passed in Delaware, or through the Delaware Supreme Court, or a new one. You haven't been paid, I believe, since 2018.
Yeah.
So where are you?
7 years.
Yeah, where are you on?
7 years with zero pay.
Although, to be fair, if it goes through, you're going to have an enormous, enormous payday. It'll be fine. It'll be more money than anybody's ever made.
Yeah, I suppose so. But I mean, let's just say that if any CEO of the Fortune 500 were to agree to a plan like the one that I agreed to, you should buy the stock of that company immediately.
Yeah, no, I remember it at the time. To be fair, the stock was so far, the targets were so far above where the stock was, and obviously they were met.
Yes.
Is the board working, to your knowledge, on another potential plan if, in fact, the one never gets out of Delaware, the Supreme Court rules against the chancellor's ruling?
I mean, I don't want to speak on behalf of the board, but I'm sure it's on their mind. But I can't comment on Tesla board deliberations.
You said earlier, I mean, you want to stay as CEO. Why not? I've wondered, Elon, given all the heat you've gotten in a lot of ways, why not sort of become like an Ellison-like figure at Tesla? Obviously, you're a lot younger, but still, he's very influential at Oracle. But, he's not CEO and he doesn't get the attention.
He isn't the CEO?
No, he's not. Safra's the CEO.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. At least not in title. That's my point.
I think maybe a better term for... I'm a huge fan of Larry Ellison. He's a good friend of mine. Owner.
Say again?
Owner, I think, would be...
yes.
He's the owner of Oracle.
Yes, he is. And he has a lot of it.